up?
Hello.
You guys watching the video as I make a video of you guys?
Watching the video. Yeah, it's this one.
It's that one. Okay, switch. Okay.
You got my music?
Yeah.
You ready to do this?
Yeah, I'm ready.
It's full of water.
It
Okay.
is full of water.
Let me see if this is the right key. Have your key ready, and as soon as the words come, you push your key in, and it should go bing bing.
I see R.
That's reverse.
Yeah, N. All right, Tommy, get your butt on here.
All right. You guys ready?
We're ready.
All right, Captain. Permission to come aboard.
Mission granted.
All right, here I come.
It's getting dark earlier, so.
What's on the agenda today? What kind of adventure are we looking for?
Oh, it's a surprise. We have got all kinds of activities today. I think you're going to be pleased.
All right. Ladies?
We have jet skis. We're going to put the floats in the water.
That's my speed.
Your speed, Chad's speed is the jet skis wide open.
60 plus. I'm gonna jump. Checking the Lions game too. I'm multitasking.
What's the line? So the Falcons are down by, what'd you say, 3?
Yeah. Let me get the live update there. We're a little slow. That's all right.
Are you gonna come up here?
I want the sun.
Don't fall. Hey, look at me.
Falcons got the ball back.
How much time?
3 minutes and 12 seconds.
What they don't need to do is score and give them the ball back.
I can climb.
Come over here.
Come on. Come on. Run it down, score with about 20 seconds to go. That's all you get.
Right here's 115 feet.
Wow. Here comes the girls. Christine!
He's doing the radio.
What?
He's fixing the radio.
We're working on the most important part of the boat. The music.
Where are we going?
Hey, girls. Wave.
We're just gonna
Wave to your mom.
We're just gonna go to a cove up here.
Don't give me right now, Tommy.
Hey, but what are you doing? You're
Trying
not
to,
falling in the lake.
trying to. That's all right. They saw us, Christine.
Woo!
Thanks, Tom.
Ready?
Go for it.
About that, okay?
What do I say? What do I say when I jump?
Just go. I'm following you.
Woo! 1, 2, 3. Oh! Ready, Sarah?
Is Sarah going?
Okay.
All right, Sarah. Try to jump far.
Woo! I have to pull it down.
What's a day out without a good accident?
You're taking a long time.
Hey,
Look, Lynette.
get up there and jump.
Close that, we don't have the AC on.
Here next, Cannibal.
In there.
Cannibal.
Oh, what you got?
Hey, you guys. I think I saw a hippopotamus over there.
I started singing bye bye Miss American Pie. Drove my Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry.
Jump it, jump it, jump it.
Well, that's holding on for dear life. Let's go
No.
No. Well, that
It may take me as many tries as Tommy. There you go, Tommy. You got it.
Be sure and thank Terry. It was sliding back in.
Did you video that?
Yes.